Hey guys, I want to start with the first week's work. So you go under the tab marked weekly work. From there, you'll see Unit 1, Week 1. And you'll see sort of what we're doing this unit, the assignments, the amount of time it should take this week roughly. So you'll go into Intro to Course, complete everything. And then I'll ask you to read the syllabus tab, and it will be here. Then I will ask you to complete a student survey. I'll talk to you about group work and anything that we haven't done before. I'll have a little video so that you can see how are we going to do what we're going to do. So you'll complete those assignments and you'll come back and you will complete the Children's Lit intro assignments. You'll review and then you will take a quiz. So you'll go through those things and complete those for week 1. The due date is Friday at 11:59. If there's a different due date, you will see it that week. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks.